Maria Aziza C. Salvanera. Third place, Science Quiz Bee level. Third place, History Quiz Bee level. First place, Filipino Quiz Bee level. Third place, English Quiz Bee level. Second place, Spelling Bee level. Second place, Spelling Bee finals. Bronze medalist in Filipino and in Civica Cultura. Silver medalist in reading and in math. Gold medalist in Christian living and in science. Aziza also receives gold medals for best in penmanship and best in reporting. Second honors, Maria Cassandra Nicole M. Mahabando. Bronze medalist in reading and in science. Silver medalist in Filipino. Gold medalist in Civica at Cultura and in language. And the class first honors, Fiona Rain P. Listama. Third place, Filipino Quiz Bee level. First place, Math Quiz Bee level. Third place, Math Quiz Bee finals. First place, English Quiz Bee level. Third place, English Quiz Bee finals. First place, Christian Living Quiz Bee level. Third place, Christian Living Quiz Bee finals. First place, Spelling Bee level. First place, Bulilit Patrol. First place, Miss Nutrition. Third place, Scouting Quiz Bee. Second place, Role Playing. Third place, Nutrition Quiz Bee. Third place, Declamation Municipal Level Cups Competition. Silver medalist in science, in Civica Cultura, and in language. And gold medalist in reading, in math, and in Filipino. For the group 1 test, grade 2 level won the following. First place sa Bayang Pagbigkas, second place sa Buhay, and second place Dance Revolution.
Presenting the awardees of Grade 2 State Agatar. Contest winners, James Carlo D. Guzman. For Cavite Amateur Swimmers Association, he won second place in 4 by 50-meter freestyle relay. Second place 4 by 50-meter medley relay. For this seventh honors, Hubert Marlon O. Reyes. Sixth honors, Mary Jo P. Aaron. Second place,